In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can use rand and rand between function in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, we will discuss rand. After that, I will explain to you rand between. Sometimes we need random number. So if you need random number, you have to use rand function. So keep in mind always formulas start with equal to sign and then write down rand. You will see both functions are here. First of all, we will discuss rand. Click here, close the parenthesis and press enter. You will see the random number is there between 0 and 1. If you want many times, you can drag here and see these are the random numbers generated between 0 to 1. Similarly, if you want to generate random number between 0 to 20, so same thing, you have to write down equal to first and then rand and then parenthesis closed. After this, you have to put asterisk sign and then 20. If you need between 0 to 20, put 20 here, 0 to 30, 30 here, whatever you want. Now you can see we have the number between 0 to 20 and then you can drag here. Suppose we need 16 times random number, so these numbers are here. Right, one more thing, whenever we will change any number, you can see all the numbers will change. Now suppose if you need random number between 0 to 100, right, parenthesis close, and I am using the asterisk sign and then 100. When I will press enter, you will see all these numbers 0 to 1 and 0 to 20, these will change. See, and now see what should be the range of your random numbers. I said like this and here is like this. Everything is changing. If you press F9 on your keyboard, see again the number will change. I am clicking one more time. See, every time the number is changing. But here you said I want to keep these number, I do not want to change. So what you have to do, you have to select that portion, right click here, you have to press copy and then paste a special. In paste a special, we have values option, click here and okay. Now you will see when I will press F9, these two between numbers 0 to 1 and 0 to 20 will change because I have applied formatting, or the values function I have used only for this data. I am pressing F9, these are changing but this will not change, right? These are fixed now. Now we will discuss rand between. So what is the difference? Sometimes it happens just like for this example, I want to write down some random numbers here. So what you have to do, again equal to rand and then equal to, when you will write down rand, again both functions are there. This time we are discussing rand between. Click here and you have to follow the exact syntax. In parentheses we have bottom and top. Suppose I said I need the number between I can say between 35 to 100, right? Whatever range you can assign to it and then press enter. We have entered too many arguments. Sorry, what I did mistake. Sometimes it happens, it should be comma, right? And then press enter. 85. See, every time we will work on this data, these two, but these are the numbers 0 to 1 and 0 to 20 will change. See, for I am going to select this and then I am selecting this. If I will press F9, so again the number will change. If you want to fix these number, what you have to do, same thing, select, right click and paste a special. You can go from the clipboard group as well. This is paste special, values and okay. Now if I will press F9, you can see this part will remains the same, 0 to 100 remains the same, only this part will change, right? I'm going to press F9, see, and now if you want, you can make the total and you know how to make the total, right? So in this lesson you have learned what is the difference between rand and rand between. You can generate random numbers by using these two formulas. So please practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.